Imagine nothing. Not darkness, not silence, not even empty space. Just nothing. No time, no matter, no energy, no laws of physics. Absolutely nothing. And then, in a single moment, smaller than any measurement science has ever created, everything began. The universe was born. And in that one impossible instant, space, time, matter, and energy all erupted into existence from a single point of infinite density. This is the story of how it happened, and how it will end. 13.8 billion years ago, our universe did not exist. There was no space for anything to exist inside of. There was no time for anything to happen within. And then, the Big Bang. But don't picture an explosion happening inside space. That image is wrong. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space. It was an explosion of space. Space itself was created. Time itself began. In a fraction of a second, a fraction so small it has no name in human language, the universe expanded from something smaller than a single atom to the size of a grapefruit. Then it kept expanding, and it never stopped. The temperature in that first second? 10 billion degrees. Pure energy, pure chaos, pure creation. Within 3 minutes, the first protons and neutrons formed. The basic building blocks of all matter, every atom that would ever exist, were forged in those first furious moments. The universe was alive, and it was just getting started. For the next 380,000 years, the universe was completely dark. Not dark like a room with the lights off. Dark like nothing you have ever experienced. Dark like the absence of light itself. The universe was a hot, glowing fog, so dense that light could not travel through it. Photons were trapped, bouncing endlessly in every direction, going nowhere, and then it cooled. Atoms formed for the very first time, and light broke free. That ancient light is still traveling through the universe right now. Scientists can detect it today. They call it the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light in existence. A photograph of the baby universe, taken just 380,000 years after its birth. When you look at the night sky, you are looking at history. Slowly, over millions of years, gravity began pulling hydrogen clouds together. Those clouds collapsed under their own weight. They heated, they compressed, they ignited. The first stars were born. These were not stars like our sun. They were monsters, hundreds of times more massive, blazing with blue-white fury, burning through their fuel in just a few million years. And then they exploded. In colossal supernova blasts, they scattered their contents across the universe. Iron, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, the raw ingredients for planets, for oceans, for life. Every atom of oxygen in your lungs right now was forged inside a dying star. Every atom of iron in your blood was born in a supernova explosion billions of years ago. You are not just made of atoms, you are made of stars. Today, the observable universe stretches 93 billion light years in every direction, and it is still growing, faster every second. Here is where it gets strange. Galaxies are not simply moving away from us through space. Space itself is stretching, carrying galaxies with it like dots on an expanding balloon. And the force driving this expansion? Scientists call it dark energy. It makes up 68% of everything in the universe, and we have absolutely no idea what it is. Dark energy is invisible, undetectable, unexplainable. We know it exists only because the universe is accelerating, expanding faster and faster with no sign of stopping. Something is pushing the universe apart. Something we cannot see, cannot touch, cannot explain. The universe holds secrets that may never be unlocked. So how does it all end? In approximately 100 trillion years, a number so large the human brain cannot truly process it, the last stars in the universe will burn out. No new stars will form to replace them. The universe will grow cold and dark and silent. Black holes will be the last great structures remaining, colossal engines of gravity, slowly consuming whatever drifts close enough to fall in. But even black holes do not last forever. Through a process called Hawking radiation, Black holes slowly, impossibly slowly, leak energy into space. Over timescales of 10 to the power of 100 years, even the largest black holes will evaporate completely. And then, nothing. No matter, no energy, no movement, no time. Scientists call this the heat death of the universe. Maximum entropy, perfect stillness, eternal silence. From nothing to everything, and back to nothing. But here is the question that keeps physicists awake at night. If the universe was born from nothing once, could it happen again? Some scientists believe our Big Bang was not the first. That universes are born, expand, die, and perhaps give birth to new universes inside black holes. An eternal cycle of creation and destruction, repeating forever across dimensions we cannot see. We call this the multiverse. And right now, at this very moment, there may be another universe being born. Another Big Bang, another history, another you. We don't know. And that is exactly why we keep looking up. If this made you think, subscribe to Universe Cosmos, because the biggest questions deserve them.